Just back from shopping. There's a tiny bit of sunshine up there. Is it enough? No, because it's just gone as soon as I put the car down. Oh, it's only just enough sunshine. That's gone again. What a teaser. Oh, into the shadow. Talk about frustrating. Got such a narrow strip of sunlight, but it's working. Right, I'll move the solar panel round so it's actually facing the sun to go that way. But the sun is not reliable enough at the moment. Just not enough sunlight getting through the windows. Well, I'll take that back. Into the shadow. There's really not enough sunlight getting through the windows. Well, obviously there's just enough to get it going that far. But it would go faster if it was outdoors. Anyway, I think that's about it. That's what we got. Sunshine and clouds. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.